Long trips are not hard because of time. They're hard because you can't get comfortable. So we created the EZY Travel Kit, a complete support system from head to toe. Let's start with this, EZY Hug Pillow. It's designed for upper body support. Powered by the air vortex system, it enables automatic inflation and deflation. 45 degrees ergonomic incline design lets you rest at a more comfortable angle with proper body support. It also lets you relax and rest in multiple positions with ease. Even scroll on your phone way more comfortably. But staying in one position for too long is still not ideal. That's why we made the EZY Neck Pillow. It uses adjustable air support so you control the firmness. Our 3-zonal design with slope, side, and tail support, plus 360 degrees coverage, keeps your head supported and reduces neck strain. No matter where you are, use it whenever you need a break. Legs feeling tired? We've got that covered too, the EZY Foot Pillow. Lift your legs, and your whole body feels lighter. And yes, the height is fully adjustable. Use it at your desk, in the car, wherever you like. When you're done, just deflate everything with the pump. The entire set packs neatly into one bag. Ready for your next trip? Go! EZY Travel Kit.